Sum number 9. 7 speakers A, B, C, D, E, F, G are invited in a program to deliver a speech in a random order. Find the probability that speaker B delivers speech immediately after the speaker A. Now here we have to find that what is the probability that speaker B gives speech after A. Total 7 speakers are there. So here we have to do arrangement. So we have to write permutation, means P. 7P7, 7 factorial, answer will be 5040. Means we can arrange this in 5040 ways. Even that the speaker B delivered speech immediately after speaker A. The favorable outcome for speaker A is if A comes first, the remaining 6 speakers can deliver the speech in 6P1 ways. If A comes first and B at second, the remaining 5. Okay, so remaining 5 are there, they can give the speech in 5P1 ways. If C comes after A and B, means your first A comes, then remaining 6 will be give speech and from 6P1 ways. Afterwards, if A comes first and B at second, so remaining 5, so 5P1 ways. Afterwards, C, A and B, the remaining 4 speakers can deliver the speech in 4P1 ways. If D comes after A, B and C, the remaining 3 speakers can deliver the speech in 3P1 ways. And if E gives speech after A, B, C and D, then remaining 2 speakers will give the speech in 2P1 ways. And remaining last, that is F, he will give its speech in 1P1 ways. So 6P1 multiplied by 5P1 multiplied by 4P1 multiplied by 3P1 multiplied by 2P1 multiplied by 1P1. It will be 720. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total will be 720. And in short, other method, total 7 speakers are there. So we can do arrange in 5040 ways. A is equal to even that the speaker B delivers speech immediately after speaker A. So here total 6 speakers, they can arrange the speeches of total 6 speakers can be arranged in 6P6 ways. And one, that is B, he is going to deliver his speech after A. After A, so the probability is 1P1. Okay, so M is equal to 6P6 multiplied by 1P1. So 6 factorial multiplied by 1 factorial. So 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, it will be 720. P of A is equal to M upon N. So 720 upon 540, it will be 1 by 7. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 0s are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 8s are 16, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12 and 2 0s are 0, 2 9s are 18, 2 0s are 0, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 2 0s are 0. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. 5 9s are 45, 5 6s are 30 and 5 3s are 15. 9 1s are 9 7s are 63. In this way calculation can be done.